Hi YouTube family, my name is Mageorgiba. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. It's good to have you here again. I hope everyone's having a good week so far and you are not letting anyone dim your lights. Before we get started with today's video, if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button on the right hand side of your screen. And also remember to turn on the bell notification and set to all so that you get notified whenever I post a new video and you'll be one of the first to watch it. Today I will be sharing with you a natural at-home cough remedy which requires 3 ingredients only. Isn't that wonderful? The remedy I will be sharing with you guys today is a recipe my dad used to make when I and my siblings were a bit younger, and it used to be very effective back then, and it still is effective now because I still make it from time to time whenever I have a cough, because I'm not like all for taking like conventional, medical medicines for like basic coughs. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share it with everyone you know. Share it on Facebook, share it on WhatsApp, share it on Instagram and every other social media platform you know. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give me a thumbs up and leave a comment in the description bar. And leave a comment in the comment section, not the description bar, okay, if you are going to try out this remedy. So stay blessed, see you next time, and remember, God loves you. Bye. Is a cough weighing you down, interfering with your daily activities and your life? You are not alone. I feel the same way sometimes. But not to worry, there is a solution. You will need a chopping board, a knife, and a container large enough to contain what you're going to make. You will need some ginger, garlic, and honey. There is no specific measurement for this natural remedy. What I like to do is just take a little more of the ginger than the garlic. You could take equal parts of both if you like. Before I forget, you also need a bowl and a spoon for mixing. Just get out my spoon now. There you go. Okay, so I'm just going to start off by peeling off the skin or the bark or whatever you call this thing. I'm peeling off the garlic, and yeah, I'm not going to show the entire process because I do not want this video to be too long, but I'm sure you get the drift. Okay. Okay, so next we're going to take off the brown skin from the ginger, not the brown skin like brown skin girl, but just the brown skin from the ginger. Okay, and I'm just going to repeat that for all the pieces I have on the chopping board. Just gonna give everything a good rinse to get off any particles that might be stuck, and also just rinse the chopping board and the knife as well. Oh, and here, remember to rinse your bowl too, because that's where you're going to be doing your mixing. Okay, so I like to start off with the easy one, which is the garlic. I'm going to be dicing the garlic into very small bits, and we will be putting them into this container once I'm done. Focus, camera, focus. Okay, so here we go. And the same thing like I said the other time, I'm also going to fast forward through this because it's pretty basic. Just try not to cut your finger off in the process, okay? And if you're a kid watching this, please get an adult to dice all these things for you. Do not do it yourself. So I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the same process for the ginger as well. Okay, so I'm just going to add some honey. Let me get this open first. Also, I can't tell you there's a specific amount of honey you need to put in, but what I would advise you to do, which I do, is putting enough honey sufficient to coat the ginger and garlic properly in such a way that when you stir it at the end, it doesn't feel too solid, if you get what I mean. Like the honey coats the ginger and the garlic enough to still make them move around with the honey. I don't know, that sounds a bit weird, but it will make sense when you're preparing it. Also, you need to start off by putting little quantity of the honey so that you don't end up having too much honey in your mixture, else you might need to add in more ginger and garlic at the end. Okay, so it's looking to me like I have like the perfect quantity of the honey. This is what I was talking about. If you just look closely, you see that the garlic and the ginger are coated with the honey, and it's just moving around, not too freely, but like it's just perfect, you know. That's kind of, I think that's the word I was trying to say. Anyway, I'm just going to scrape down the bigger spoon with a smaller spoon, and we're going to put a lid on this beautiful remedy, and yeah, it's all good to go. Do not store in a fridge, store in a cool, dry place, okay? And you just need to take 1 tablespoon of this in the morning and in the evening. Please remember to consult your doctor if you suspect a serious health problem, not just a normal cough, because this remedy is not meant to treat a very serious health related cough, okay? That's all for today, guys. Please let me know if you try out this remedy, and also do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with everyone you know and you would like to benefit from this wonderful, very easy at home remedy.